Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to challenge others on 8-ball pool. So let's get started. Begin by launching your 8-ball pool game. Now tap on the team like icon, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen right next to gift icon. Tap on the friends option. Now select the friend that you'd like to challenge. To challenge others on 8-ball pool, tap on the challenge button. Now select a city. And this is how you can challenge others on 8-ball pool. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.